happened yesterday down in Panama City. That wasn't in a courtroom, but it was something similar to this. So sometimes people do bad things like that, but luckily we haven't had anything like that happen in this area in a long time in a courtroom. But that's because we have these gentlemen, sometimes ladies, who are trained to protect against that. Okay? In the black jacket right over here on the right. I do know one of those individuals is a probation officer. I'm not sure what you said on the first one. This man's witness over here. 2 flags, all right? Well, this flag is the flag for the United States. Does anybody know what this flag is for? Somebody tell me. That's the state flag. Yeah, that's exactly right. That's where they say when we have court days. Hang on. When we have court days, a lot of times they'll bring up a group from the jail, and I think we can hold, I don't know how many we can hold back there. Pretty good number. Sometimes they'll stack them in there. But there's about 5 or 6 different cells back there. There's also a cell on this side. They separate the males from the females back there. And they bring them out usually one at a time for security purposes. But while they're here during the day, camera, I can get a document, and it'll scan to, and you can see that's actually the microphone back there. But if we had a picture or something, we would put that right there in that area. What that means is while the attorney or the witness is talking about a particular item, a piece of evidence, or a picture, we can put that camera on it. The jurors can see it over here. I can see it over here. That type of thing. We can show the whole courtroom. I'll show you another trick. In the mornings, sometimes we'll have a hearing where we have an individual who's in jail, but we don't bring him over here to the actual jailhouse. We can actually go on here and any of the courthouses in our circuit, or any of the jails in our circuit, we can go in here and do that. If we have somebody in jail, if you have a hearing at the jail, I can mash that button, and it's going to show you that's actually a room out there at our jail. And they'll bring the person in that room, and we can talk to them, and they can hear us from out there, and we can hear them from out there. And sometimes we have a hearing, and that saves the Sheriff's Department money because they don't have to have an officer, and they don't have to have a van to transport those people over here and then take them back. So a lot of the things we do from the jail. Every morning, we do first appearance. That means anybody that got charged with a crime or arrested yesterday that's in jail, we see them the next morning. They have the right to see a judge within 24 hours of their arrest, and this is the way we see them. We see them on the video.